Good morning! We're all packed and ready to go. I have to set my little Google Help and then we hit the road. We are going to Girdev Lake, aren't we, Timo? Yes. But first I have to drive to Fethiye, meet up with some people, and then from there we drive into the mountains because this place is so remote, no cell service, nothing. I don't have the balls to do that on my own. So let's go!
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
Time for a coffee and a bit of breakfast. Honey, here. There's a little puppy here driving Timo nuts. Timo doesn't know what to do. So yeah, and what happened, you'd think? I did go to the other garage and they fixed everything. They found a vacuum pump for my brakes. They played with my gears forever, fixed, also put a new part in, and a bunch of other stuff. I should be good now. So I'm very happy. Shut up, you little shit. So yeah, I'm gonna have a sandwich with Timo, coffee, and I also had my solar panel installed. That worker was a good one. I went there totally expecting him to say, that thing's old, no good anymore, you need a new one, so he could sell something. The opposite is true. He actually told me how much it was giving still. He said, it's not a lot, but you don't need a lot. Try it first. You can always buy another one. That's the way you have to work. So yeah, I have electricity going in. All good for a few days in the mountains. Oh, and it's gonna be so nice and cool there. So good. You've reached your destination. Click. I just hope I'm at the right Volkswagen place. There's 3 in Fethiye. So, we'll see. I'm nice and early. Gonna have the rest of my coffee, keep an eye on Timo, that he doesn't run on the road because he's not used to traffic. And then we go into the mountains. Everywhere on the internet I read that the road is very dangerous. I just don't know. I've read it before and it wasn't the case. Sometimes they say it's easy and it's very hard. So I just have to try. Some people being there said every normal car can do it. Let's hope Red can do it. Okay, we've got 4 cars, one is there, the other 2 are by the shop because somebody came out without food. There's nothing up there. So, but yeah, we're still on the motorway and I think soon we'll go off and start the mountain roads. Hope I can show them. But yeah, Timo's having a grand time. He loves it in the front. Oh well. Let's hope the car makes it in one piece and that I don't do anything stupid, and then we should be right. See you at the other end. Well, I lost the rest already. I'm too slow. Beautiful! Wow! I love it already, and the heat is gone. Yes! Oh, it's looking great! I see mountains!
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow. I can't control
This is amazing! Beautiful!
It's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
This is crazy! But beautiful! Oh boy, going up again. Bye!
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could
Going
stop the
down.
time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
That was a nasty one, Timo. I hope you can do it on the way back. Whoa! Beautiful! This is crazy! I see the lake!
So let's just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let's just do my love and see where it goes. So let's just
I made it! I'm not sure if I'll ever get away from here, but we made it. Ugh. Go on, Timo. Come on. Wow. Wow. What a place. Look at it. There's nothing, but I don't think I can swim here. already doubting if they can canoe here. But we'll see. I have to set up shop first. Big bully. Well, my knees were shaking by the time we were here, but wow, this is worth it. I want to have some good times with Timo. He's already having a ton of fun with the other doggies. But wow, it's cool here. I think I need a t-shirt already. 1:15. Wow, how enjoyable. And the way back, I'm not going to think about. Well, I've set myself up and I'm making a cup of coffee. Just can't find the lid of that thing. But I made my bed over there. On the back shelf is all the film stuff, books, stuff I might need. Over there my clothing. So I have everything at hand. But boy, because I never stayed in this thing, everything I have to move around and move around. So I think it'll be a while before you have like a system that works. It's gonna take me forever. Like now, I just got this out, but where's the lid? Where did I put it? It's got a lid, that's for sure. Found it, just dumped it somewhere, and straight away it's lost. I need to work on that. But that goes fast, better than that electric cooker. It didn't do shit. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and see how the neighbors are doing. I hear lots of laughter, so I guess they're happy. I'm having a little experiment today. I had some meat in the dehydrator and that worked really well. Now I have to get water with it and hopefully blow it up again. I made myself a cozy, so that should help. I tested it with something else and it keeps it warm twice as long. So I'm going to boil up some water and hopefully don't throw too much in, and then put it like this. And that should work. Let's try it. Get some water going. How much does it need? I don't know. Let's give that, I don't know, 20 minutes. Let's give it 20 minutes, Timo. And then we can chop up some veggies. guess you have to be Dutch to have one of these. 'Cause I've never seen them anywhere else. Time to check the meat. Oh, if that works. That doesn't look bad at all. Nice. Little too much liquid. A little denser than the original. But perfect for what I want to do here. I'm going to have myself a wrap. Something's missing here, Timo. And I know what. Fermented grapes. Cheers. Delicious. We have company. That's alright. Can you bring your bowl? They're funny, those cows. They're splunging through the water. You have that. Lekker? Dankjewel. Well, that was a great day. I tidied up the mess, did the dishes, cleaned up inside. All nice and cozy. I'm gonna fill up my glass and join the others. See you guys in the morning.